Hi everyone, it's Dia with Eat, Run, Plan, Repeat. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you for stopping by. Today, I'm going to do a quick unboxing of my new Moterm in pocket size. I'm going to try and do this really quick because I'm actually heading out of town to Colorado to go tour a college with my daughter, and I wanted to take this with me, so I'm going to hurry up and open it up, and I might have to record more details when I get back. This is my current Moterm pocket. I love this thing. This is just the normal leather one. There's nothing extra about it. It's not one of their Lou ones, and I'm loving it. I'm starting to find that the rings might be a little bit too small for me, and I kind of wanted something a little bit fancier too and with more card slots, so I purchased this one. Okay, let's open it up. I ordered both of these Moterms from AliExpress. I think the first one took almost a complete month to get here, and this one took about 3 weeks. My other one didn't come in a box like this. This one is boxed a lot nicer. Okay, I'm really excited. Yes, my other one didn't come in a bag like this either. So if you couldn't tell, this is in the black Croco. I have never owned a Croco leather before. I've always wanted a Filofax one, but I found that the card configuration just wasn't right for me. And not only that, they're quite expensive. This is about half, actually this is about a third of the price, I believe. Let's open it up. I don't think my other one came in a bag like this either, because I think I would have kept the bag. It already feels so squishy. Okay, oh my gosh, this is so cute. I love how this feels. So right off the bat, here's the paper, I can tell that the rings are a lot bigger. So let me show you. I think this is gonna be good though, and it has to, let me show you a comparison. Okay, so here are the two side by side. They're about the same height. This one has a smidge more. For width, this one is wider, and not only that, this one has 2 buttons here and this one has 1. Okay, let me open them up. This is a comparison of them opened up together. You can see this one has a good inch or so on this one. So my first impressions, I absolutely love it. I don't know if it's gonna be too big for me. I did want bigger rings, and I think you can change out the rings too, but I don't know if these rings are too big for me. And I'm liking it so far, but I guess I won't really be able to tell until I have all my stuff in it. So it also has the back pocket. Here's the difference in ring diameter. I think these ones are the 30 millimeter. I don't think I've ever owned rings that wide before. One of the main reasons I wanted to purchase this planner was these extra card slots here in the front. On this one, it just has this side pocket here, and I really wished I could keep the cards that are in my flyleaf right in the front here. So now I can do that. And let's see. I also like that this is like a secretarial pocket and not this kind of pocket, because it can be hard to stick stuff in here. This zipper goes in the opposite direction as that one, which really doesn't matter to me, and it doesn't have this little protector on it. What else? Let's see, the flyleaf. They're exactly the same size. That's the other reason I wanted this planner, actually, is that the flyleaf has a pen loop on it. So I want to keep my highlighter in this and my pen in this one. And this one has elastic on it, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't either, and it still fits my pen. Okay, let me flip to the back really quick. The flyleaf has 3 cards, just like that one does. And then on the back, again, it's a secretarial pocket instead of this little slip-in pocket. And I like that because it's just easier to pull this forward and stick stuff in there. And sometimes I have a hard time grabbing things out of here because the rings get in my way. And there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is there 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 card slots, which is one more than on this one. And then it has the little Moterm tag on both of them in the same spot. So I can't wait to go ahead and put all my stuff in here. I am not sure how I feel about this right now. When I got this one, I just immediately fell in love with it because of how small and squishy it is. So I love this one. Now a part of me doesn't want to leave this one, but I'm gonna go ahead and move into the Croco and see how much I like it and if I can adjust to it. If anything, it may be nice to switch back and forth between the two planners every once in a while. Okay, so let me go ahead and move into this and let me see if I have some time to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, you guys, I'm all moved in and I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit sad. I don't know, this first time picking it up right now, it just grew on me a little more, but I really am a little bit bummed. It obviously no longer feels tiny in my hands because this planner is a little bit bigger, and especially with the rings being bigger, you're just hanging on to more on this side. So it still feels small and cute and chunky, but not like this one. This one was just squishy and tiny. So this being a lot thicker too, it just feels a lot bulkier, which I'm sure it should because it is bigger. But I don't feel immediately in love with it like I did my other Moterm. So, okay, it's growing on me a little. I do have it on the tighter snap, but let's open it up and let's take a look. So, I think this one doesn't lie as flat. Yeah, I think this one doesn't lie as flat. That might change after it kind of loosens up a little. But I do love the 3 card slots over here on this side. And then I even have a little space to put something cute, which I'll probably put something from Courtney from Little Raven Ink in there because I love her little monsters. The rings have a lot more space. I feel like I can get a lot more in here. Not that I want to stuff it with too much more, but now I don't feel like if I open my rings, all my papers are gonna pop out. It took me a quick second to figure out these back pockets. I put these in here, portrait, you know, vertical, like I did in the other pocket because they're a lot narrower. And I thought, oh wow, there's so much wiggle space. And then I realized that they go horizontal. So that's kind of cool too. I do have the flyleaf in here with this highlighter, and I love that. I didn't put any cards in here yet. I do have a couple of extra cards that I need to bring with me into my wallet, so I'll probably put those right in here. But this fits in here perfectly, even when I shut it. The only other concern I had was this pen holder here. So look at how much higher this pen holder is from this one. When I slide this pen in, if I don't make sure this clip goes over it, then it sticks out too far like that. So I just have to use a little extra tug and make sure that the clip is over the leather part, which I guess just makes it more secure, so that's fine. Because when I had it in here, it just slid down like that. And then I have some stuff in the back. So, trying to figure out how I feel about this. I do like the way it feels, and I like how it looks nicer. I'm so torn, you guys. I feel like there's just so much more I could stuff this one, but if you know me, I'm kind of a minimal planner, and I really don't stuff my planners much. Okay, so I guess I'll just leave you with that. This is my new Pocket Moterm Luxe Croco, and this is my other original Moterm in the regular like pebbly leather. And I don't know. Not sure how I feel about it, but I'll update you guys and let you know after I've gotten a little more use out of it. So if you do like a chunky planner, and if you are finding that this one is too small for you, this is beautiful. It is a very beautiful planner. And I like that the leather isn't too thick. I was a little bit worried it would be a bit chunky, but it's not at all. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry for my confusion. I just feel a little stumped right now. I need to play with these a little, maybe see if it fits in my small purse, because I carry around a small little purse with me that pretty much just fits this planner and my phone when I'm just running around and doing errands. So I'm gonna have to see if this even fits in it. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more from me, be sure to subscribe. And if you want to get notified whenever I post a new video, be sure to hit that notification bell. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and I will see you again soon. Bye.